Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that from today we have started with a revision test, and I hope you all are giving your revision test very nicely. Now, children, as you all know, that this is our EVS online period. So, today we are going to start with our revision work again, but this time we are not doing the revision single chapter. Okay, we will be doing our revision with combined chapters. Okay, like I have combined 12 and 13 chapter. So this revision will be divided into two parts. Okay, first part we will be doing with two exercises, and next part we will be doing other leftover exercises. So please, children, it's my request that I have given you much of revision work. I have given you a lot of revision work this time, so I hope there is no difficulty for you all to do your revision works and to learn your subjects. Okay, so I hope you will all be able to give your exams very carefully, children. Now one more important notice that from 1st of March you are going your schools are going to open, so make sure that you get ready. After a long time, after a very long time, we are going to have a normal classes in school, so you have to come to school from 1st of March. And remember that the details for your timing and timetable will be sent to you from school through messages. So just check your timetable from that message, and bring your books and copies according to that timetable. Is that clear? So now starting with our today's video, children. Today's video is of EVS revision 1.1, chapter number 12 and chapter number 13. First part we are going to do of missing letters. Now in this exercise I have combined the missing letters of chapter 12 and 13. Okay, important missing letters I have combined. So let's get started, children. First is safety, SAFETY, safety. Now children, I have explained you before also that for learning missing letters you have to know the correct spelling of each and every word. Clear? So the first word is safety, SAFETY, safety. Second is queue, QUE is queue, that is to make a line. Okay, third one is rules, RULES, rules. Then fourth one is land forms, LAND, land, FORMS, forms, land forms. Okay, then the fifth one is earth, EARTH, earth. Sixth one is mountain, MOUNTAIN, mountain. Then seventh one is island, ISLAND, island. Once again I am telling you, children, that the spelling of island is ISLAND, island, but you will not pronounce it as island, you will pronounce it as island. Is that clear? Now, I hope you all have understood these 7 missing letters. I have given you only 7 missing letters of both the chapters. So, I hope you all have understood. Once again, I am repeating, children. Make sure that you listen to it carefully. First one is safety, SAFETY, safety. Second is queue, QUEUEQ. Third one is rules, RULES, rules. Fourth one is landforms, LAND, FORMS, landforms. Fifth one is earth, EARTH, earth. Sixth one is mountain, MOUNTAIN, mountain. And seventh one is island, ISLAND, island. So I hope, children, that you have understood all these missing letters, and I hope you all have you all remember these missing letters, because every week I am giving you revision work. So I hope you all are very much prepared for your final term exams. Now coming to our second exercise. Coming to the second exercise, children, that is B part, fill in the blanks. Now as you all know that in chapter number 13 there are no fill in the blanks, so I have given you only the fill in the blanks of chapter number 12, which were very important. Is that clear? So listen to it carefully, children. First is earth is made up of dash and water. So earth is made up of two things. You all know that it is made up of land and water. So your correct answer is land, LAND, land. Now second sentence, a dash is a flat land. Flat land किसको बोला जाता है? Plain को. Where we are living, that is all a plain. Okay, so a plain is a flat land, PLAIN, plain. Coming to the third sentence, desert is a large area of land which is covered with dash. Now desert is a large area. Desert एक बहुत बड़ा एरिया है लैंड का जो किससे कवर्ड है? सैंड से, मिट्टी से. पूरा उसमें सिर्फ मिट्टी होती है, SAND, सैंड. क्लियर? कमिंग टू द फोर्थ सेंटेंस, वी शुड टेक डैश ऑफ अ अर्थ. हमें अपनी अर्थ की क्या करना चाहिए? टेक केयर करना चाहिए. CARE, केयर. Coming to the fifth sentence, that is the last fill in the blank. Sea and ocean have dash water. Sea and ocean are very big water bodies, and the water in these water bodies is salty. SALTY, salty. Namak wala pani. Okay, so we cannot use this water. We cannot use sea and ocean water for drinking. Sea and ocean have salty water. Clear to you all? I hope this topic of fill in the blanks is clear to you all, children. Once again I am repeating, so please listen to it carefully. First one, earth is made up of land and water. LAND is land. Then second is a plain is a flat land. PLAIN is plain. Then third is desert is a large area of land which is covered with sand. SAND, sand. Fourth is we should take care of our earth. CARE, care. Last fifth is sea and oceans have salty water. SALTY, salty. So children, I hope these two exercises are clear to you all. Now coming to the third exercise, that is of true and false. Now children, coming to the third part, that is the last part for this revision, which is C part, true or false. Okay, so I have taken out only few true false for this revision. There are only 4 important true false for this chapter, so please make sure that you listen to it very carefully. First one, we should not take care of our earth. So as you all know, children, that in the last exercise we have learnt in fill in the blanks that we should take care of our earth, but here it is said that we should not take care of our earth, which is absolutely false. Okay, we should always take care of our earth, so this sentence is wrong. So you will write the answer false. FALSE, false. Now coming to the second sentence, many animals live in seas and oceans. Seas and oceans में water animals बहुत सारे रहते हैं. This is true. This sentence is absolutely correct. So you will write the answer true. TRUE is true. Now coming to the third part, which is valley is a low land between hills and mountains. Now what is a valley, children? It is a low land. हिल्स और माउंटेन्स के बीच का जो एरिया होता है, दैट इज नोन एज वैली. सो दिस इज ट्रू. And coming to the last sentence, sea and ocean water is used for drinking. Again, in the last exercise, B part of fill in the blanks, we have learned that sea and ocean water is salty, so it is not good for drinking. We cannot use it for drinking, but here it is written that sea and ocean water is used for drinking, which is absolutely wrong. So we will write false for this sentence. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood these 4 true false. Once again, I am repeating. Listen to it carefully. First one, we should not take care of our earth. This is false. Second is many animals live in seas and oceans. This is true. Third is valley is a low land between hills and mountains. This is true. And in the last, sea and ocean water is used for drinking. This is false. So children, I hope you all have understood all these 3 exercises. Now one important note is that your revision test have started from today. You will be getting 20 marks. You will be getting 20 marks of paper, and 10 marks will be objective and 10 marks will be subjective. So remember that you have to do your revision test very carefully, and you have to prepare a revision test copy. Okay, and in that notebook you will write the subject date wise, and then you will write the answer only. In that in the revision test you will only write the answers, and for the questions which are objective questions, there will be 2 options given, and you only have to write the number of the question and then the correct answer of that question. Is that clear? So from 1 to 20 questions, you only have to write the numbers and then you have to write the answer. Only answers you will write in your test copies. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood. Please follow all the instructions which your teachers are giving, okay, and make sure that you learn all the revision exercises and prepare for your final term examinations from these revision exercises. Is that clear, children? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.